Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a QR code in Canva. A super easy trick that can make your designs look way more stylish and professional. So let's jump right in. First, open your Canva project and it can be anything, a poster, business card, or social media post. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on Apps. In the search bar, type QR and you'll see the QR code generator app appear. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you'll see a box where you can enter any URL. This could be your website, portfolio, social link, or anything you want people to visit when they scan the code. Once you've entered the link, a Customize option will show up right below. This is where the fun begins. Click on Customize and you'll be able to adjust both the foreground and background colors of your QR code. You can pick any color that matches your brand or design. Maybe your brand's main color for the QR and a clean white or transparent background for contrast. After choosing your colors, click Generate QR Code. Canva will automatically create your new colored QR code and add it to your design. From there, you can resize, move, or even add effects and frames just like any other element. And that's it. You've got a fully customized, color-matched QR code ready to impress. No extra tools or websites needed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.